I have made some bad mistakes in my time, but that's the breaks, and I'll bet I've had way more fun than you.
Well, hello there, welcome back to another exciting episode of Kip Does Stuff. Okay, this week I'm a little excited because I made a project a few days ago, or maybe a few weeks ago, depending on when this video comes out. And it was a tabletop catapult. I took it apart, and then I tossed all the pieces into a box, gave it to my son-in-law for him to figure out and try to assemble it. He did a pretty good job with it because I went way overboard making it really easy to put together. Not saying he's a dumb guy, but he did marry into this family. So today he dropped off this. It says mystery box. And it says, please make YouTube videos. So, that was from my grandchild. So we're going to open this box today and figure out what's inside it. But I was already told not to shake it. Ooh, I really want to shake it. Okay, here's the box, so let's get it opened. Okay, we got some packing materials in here. Oh, there's something inside the packing material, so let's look. Okay, we've got a jar. It's got a bunch of stuff inside of it. And we have some pieces of wood. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And that's it. So let's toss it aside and see what we got. Okay, let's open this jar first. Let's throw away this cloth. Okay. Inside here we've got a bag of M&Ms. Looks like my grandkids have already gotten into them. And we've got some screws. And a piece of dowel. Let's do some investigating. Well, it looks here that we've got markings on each piece. It says A, B, let's see, A or E, D, D2, E, D, C, B. So it looks like every side's got a marking on it. A, and there's no markings on the bottom of this one. So, but there is screw indentations down here, so there's a pretty good chance screws go in here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws. There are 3 screws here. And looking at this piece and this piece, they seem to have the same triangle part as this. And since this says A, that probably goes this way. And we got a B and C. So B and B go together. Somewhere we got a C. There's C and D. So C and C go together. C. We got this. We got E and D. So D goes here. And E, and there's more indentations for screws, so E must go on top like this. Plus we got 2 and 1 with the dowel, so saw a hole back here. Guess that goes in there, and that says 2, which goes to this piece, so there. There, and I think I know where this goes, and that would go there. So I need to put the screws in, 4 here, 3 on the bottom, and add this. Okay, I've got to take it apart again, and I'm just going to use a screwdriver, so I'll start these 3 screws from the bottom. Okay, I wasn't going to use a drill, but arm got a little tired tightening those screws, and looks like they come through one last piece, so let's put C to C. There we go, and we'll tighten those down. Okay, so now we've got to put this dowel back in here. That says 1, 1 goes down. We've got D on the dowel, and then E and E go together like that. And then we drive 4 screws down through here. Okay, and there's all the pieces together. So now let's put this in here. And we'll install it. Like that. And now we just turn this, and bunch of M&Ms. Wow, who doesn't like M&Ms? Good job, Nick. And for everybody watching, thanks for watching.